What is up, all of you awesome Munch people? It's the MUNCHBowl here, and today, I'm just gonna be showing you how I got my. I'm just gonna be showing you how I got my freeform dreads, or just hair like mine, because these people consider them freeform, but they're not really freeform, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. But first off, let me just say I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm sorry about this horrible mic quality, and I'm sorry for this horrible camera quality because I don't have a professional camera, and I'm recording with the Android, so whatever. But anyways, so I've been wanting to get freeform dreads for a while. It was like back when I was in like 7th grade. I was like, man, I really want to get dreads. But I don't want to get like salon dreads because I don't like salon dreads. So I wanted to get freeform dreads. I was looking at a lot of freeform dread videos, and I would start my hair out, but then I was like, nah. I don't know why I didn't do it. I guess I was just like so uncomfortable with maybe my family being like, what are you doing with your hair? But also a thing you should know is, if anyone tries to judge you harshly or whatever because of your hair or because of something you can't control with you, and I'm talking about appearance wise, if you're like, well, my hair is just like this, or if you have a messed up hairline or something, my hairline's like this. Do I have a messed up hairline? Or this thing on my ear, come on, that's why I don't get ear piercing, But all seriously, if someone tries to say that you shouldn't have that hair, or why you have that hair and get it cut off, no, don't do that. What are you doing with your hair? I get that a lot. Well, not a lot, but I get that sometimes, and it's not cool. And it's I still keep my hair because it's I don't care. It's hair, it's hair, So it was this one random day, I was just in my bed watching a lot of videos because I was trying to do the Sabbath. I was trying out the Sabbath and everything, seeing because I honestly don't know what to do on the Sabbath. Still, I don't know. I'm trying to learn, but that's not the point of this video. But anyways, I was just sitting down watching YouTube, just twisting my hair. And I was like, no, I'm gonna twist. I'm gonna here's exactly what I did. So twisted my hair, cause my hair is in an afro. Well, it was actually in a temple fade or whatever. I don't know what you want to call it. I was just twisting my hair, and I would separate all the hair from it. So I'll basically part my hair, not part, but section my hair with my fingers to get a nice section. Then I'll just twist. It took me the whole day. But the thing is, I remember I did that I was watching YouTube for an hour or two. Then I went to the store and I was twisting my hair in the store. And I got confused because I was twisting my hair different directions. It got crazy. But anyways, then the next day I was you know what? Let's see where it goes. So I sponged my hair and everything. I sponged my hair after that, and just went about my day and everything because I didn't want people to look at me crazy because I had to go to church. By the way, I am a Christian. Man, if you didn't know. But yeah, so I went to church and everything because I sponged my hair so it would look less messy and everything. But basically, long story short, I tried towel rubbing my hair, but that just took way too long. It seemed like it took way too long for the twist to actually form. And I did that for a good week, and I was like, bro, this ain't working. So I got the sponge. It had the spikes on it. See this one. It had the spikes, but these obviously aren't. The spikes obviously aren't here on mine because they fell off when I was doing my hair. Luckily none of my hair fell off. But yeah, I used that and it worked really good. It worked really well. But then eventually, like I said, all of them fell off. So I started using the circles and just did it. And these are the small circles, if you can't tell, not the big ones, because I didn't want thick dreads. So if you're trying to lock up your hair, don't pick it out and don't cut it. Unless you want your dreads at a certain length, but don't cut your hair because your hair's not going to grow. And if you keep on cutting it at the same length, then your hair's just going to get trained to be oh, this is where my hair's supposed to be. So your hair will kind of stop growing once it gets to that point that you always cut it at. So at least that's what I heard. I don't know. I'm not But anyways, like, that's how I got my dreads basically. I just started out twisting. I did the towel rub and it didn't work, so I did a sponge. I also got this locking gel and I would put it in my hair and everything. Oh yeah, and also a tip for washing your hair. Please don't wash. I cannot stress this enough. Don't wash your hair anywhere near when you start dreads, because they will fall out. They not fall out, but so I would say wait at least a month and a half. But anyways, yeah, I started getting a hairline taper. I know, looks rough now. What is my hair doing? But anyways, yeah, like, that's really all you need to do. But the thing is, I say don't wash your hair. So how often should you wash your hair? I'm gonna try to say everything in this video. How often should you wash your hair while having freeform dreads? Now let me tell you something. True freeform, because these aren't really freeform. I will consider these semi-freeform. Any method you use when you like twist or anything, that's not true freeform. You're just semi-freeforming. Freeforming is just you having your hair, getting in the shower, washing it, coming out, and not doing anything to your hair, and repeating the process. Just repeating the process. Like, you don't pick it out or anything. You just get in the shower, wash it, get out, and just don't mess with your hair. Just let it do its own thing. And that's true freeform. And you see these true freeform people, like, they have like really crazy locks and they look really cool, but I'm honestly not that bold to do it. These will be semi-freeform because I twisted them, but then I just let my hair do its own thing. Like, see, it doesn't, if I could get this light up on my face, it doesn't evenly part down the middle. See, so like when my dreads get longer, I do plan on like maintaining my dreads at some point because they're not maintained at all now. I tried to dry retwist them last night. And you can't retwist freeform dreads. Like, you could do anything to your dreads. You can make them look however you want them to look. All you have to do is make them look the way you want to look. But yeah, I tried to cram a lot into this video, and I'm kind of getting exhausted because of this thing beaming in my face and that thing being a really bright light. Thank you people for watching the video. Let me know what you want me to talk about in the next dread video, because I will be doing videos related to hair. Well, specifically dreads, not just freeform dreads or semi-freeform or whatever. Salon dreads too, because I'm pretty knowledgeable about that, because I mean, I went other places on YouTube to look at this stuff. But I'll try to provide the best content, you know, because they ain't doing it right. Now I'm just playing. Shout out to all the dread YouTubers out there, especially Gunther the Great, Not Locs, all them. But anyways, I thank you people so much for watching the video. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like. Make sure you subscribe if you want more hair videos. And yeah.